Hello, my name is Inga Hoņavko and I am Project Manager of Life Ecosystem Services project managed by Nature Conservation Agency and project partners. In my presentation, I will share our project experience on nature-based solutions implementation and ecosystem services approach integration in nature planning. Our project areas located in the coastal part of Latvia in two sites in Jaunķemeri and Salkrasti. More practical activities are related with Salkrasti area, where actions for ecosystem services supply promotion have been implemented. In my presentation, I will show you two main activities. It's a nature design park establishment and the primary dune restoration, which have been implemented in Salkrasti pilot area. In 2016, we established Nature Design Park via Dune Salkrasti in part of Salkrasti town. Creation of the park in the territory of Salkrasti landmark White Dune was one of the development scenarios for Salkrasti town. The aim of this park is to regulate the flow of visitors and to educate on nature value. And this park consists of nature design elements. It's educational, innovative, sustainable and multifunctional environmental objects, information boards, signs and other elements, as you can see in these pictures. Assessment of the scenario showed that this establishment of Nature Design Park as a development direction is sustainable. The value of the cultural ecosystem services increased and there is no decrease of value in other groups of ecosystem services. You can see our assessment results in this ecosystem services assessment matrix for two cultural ecosystem services. It's a leisure, active and passive potential, and for environmental educational potential. And we assess ecosystem services supply in 2015 and in 2019. I have to mention that Salkrasti dunes are an area where very high anthropogenic load was observed during the project time and before it. For dune threatening, the grass typical for dunes, Icelaemus arenarius, was planted and willow fences were made to stimulate coastal dune generation. The plants were planted in 2017 in the end of May. It was a common work event and volunteers and representatives from other coastal municipalities, NGOs were participated in these activities. I have mentioned that the actions were very successful. In these pictures you can see the northern part of the primary dune restoration experiment area in October 2017. It's half a year after the action were implemented, and the result after 2 years. As you can see in this diagram, the sand accumulation in the primary dune belt and in the upper part of the beach has been faster than in all adjacent areas. The accumulation of wind-driven sand reaches about 3 cubic meters per meter. The measures implemented are self-sufficient and will remain functional for several years, even if the fences are not rebuilt. In the result, value of ecosystem services, its erosion control, has been improved. Now about my topic, it's ecosystem services approach integration in nature planning, and for this topic we elaborated recommendations how to implement ecosystem services integration in nature planning, and these recommendations are available in our project's website. Recommendations are in Latvian, and I have said that nature management plans describe the needed human inputs in ecosystems, and use of ecosystem services approach in elaboration of nature management plans offers a way of implementation of the requirements for the assessment of the protected area, not only in terms of nature protection, but also in terms of public interests. And here you can see the main recommendations, and it's related with social economical value assessment for nature territories, with targets determination, and with management actions, with assessment of impact of this development, and with determination of protection regime. Elaborated recommendations, results of ecosystem services assessment for Nature Park Pie-Jūra were integrated in updated nature management plan for Nature Park Pie-Jūra. Ecosystem services approach using allows more clear determine long-term objectives of the protected areas management activities to conserve or reach favorable conservation status. Maintaining ecosystem services ensure that all management activities are in balance with nature conservation, recreational, tourism, and regional development interests, and favorable conservation status of habitats and species is maintained by maintaining value of ecosystem services. Thank you for your attention, and please write to my email if you have any questions or comments. Here you can see our live ecosystem services project contacts, website, and social media accounts. And as I said, all our project materials are available on our website. Thank you.